It's Megs here, and you know it's summertime, and that calls for blonde units. I always go blonde in the summertime, so I'm going to show you guys how I installed and styled this unit. And this unit is WowAfrican. I have used WowAfrican a few times this year, and I've been very impressed. So it came with some accessories here, clips, all the things that I need for, my wig installation, a comb, edge control brush. I really love this comb. Also, this kind of like lace melting band, wig cap, and wig sleeve for storage. And this is Faye, y'all. She is a blonde ombre unit, okay, and she is Malaysian hair in 20 inches. She came already pre-curled, and I really appreciate that. I am also very impressed with the color. It's not brassy. It has a beautiful gradient of the ombre here. It's no harsh lines of demarcation in here, and I am loving that. It is 20 inches as well, and the cap construction is a little bit different on this one, okay? I do have actual clips in this unit for security, real security, okay? And I also have adjustable straps at the very nape here. And also with this cap construction that I noticed, there are no combs, okay? And it fits, okay? You're gonna see later. It has like this non-slip technology, pre-cut lace, which is always perfect for me, and the lace is very nice and transparent with really nice small knots. And looking at this, I think I can definitely go glueless because it's also pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, perfect for beginners and people like me who don't want to spend a lot of time on a unit. Even though the wig came pre-curled, I wanted to touch up the curls just a little bit with my Paul Mitchell extra large ceramic curling iron, and the size of this is a 1.75 inch, and this wig was able to withstand heat up to 410 degrees, so I was very impressed with that. So it's time to put her on because I like to pre-curl my, curls in the back and then do the curls when I have the unit on, because I like to layer the front of my wigs when I want to wear them curled like this. So I did pop in a very, very light layer in the very front, and I started out longer and then just kind of gradually cut more off as I went, because I just kind of wanted to see like where do I want this layer to fall when I do curl the hair. So I will say the texture of this hair is more on the silky side, so I feel like that layer is definitely necessary when it comes to wanting to wear those beautiful barrel curls. So I am just going to clean up, I like my front of my units to be a little bit more neat, and I am going to straighten out the parting just a little bit. But what I do enjoy about this wig, there is a lot of room for additional customization. So if you want to kind of like open up the parting just a little bit with extra tweezing, you could do that. Or, if you want to tweeze the hairline just a little bit more, you can do that. But I do love that everything was already done for me, and this wig is definitely beginner friendly. I really think they did a really good job with the color as well. I'm very impressed with that. So I will say, just tending to this wig, touching it up was very easy for me to do. It didn't take too much time, and I'm just really impressed with how advanced these wigs are now. So I am going to put a little bit of concealer into the parting just so I can have that look pop a little bit more. So I am going to also put some, just a tiny bit of bronzer on the hairline. And I love that I don't have to do nothing but put it on and just do minor touch-ups. So I am going to curl the front now that I do have the layers in, and I tell you, the layers in the very front make a world of difference. And you know what too? I think this unit will be absolutely gorgeous if you were to decide to layer it even more, add some layers in the back, because this is 20 inches and the balayage color would pop even more. So I'm really feeling the deep brown at the top, and it gradually has a beautiful transition down to the ends with that brighter blonde, and the curls just really help that pop. Perfect for summertime. It's kind of giving me Beyonce. So I always like to kind of style the front of my units kind of like this with the hot comb, and then just take it right back down just to flatten out the top, and then curl my hair or the unit going backward to get that kind of like curtain kind of look. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side. I tell you, this wig was super easy to style. Just pop these curls in and I am done. Look how beautiful. I'm loving this ombre color. They did a really good job. It's not brassy, it's not too cool. They toned this really well, okay? I am really, really feeling this for real because I actually had a wig like this that I purchased, I think, in 2019. So this really mimics that wig that I own because the color is gorgeous. It's kind of like an ash blonde, but it's like a warm ash. And that's my favorite kind of blondes to wear. So it's super cute. Just put this on and go. I'm just feeling very Beyonce-licious, for real. So I really think this will be perfect for summertime. I can't wait to try a brown smoky eye with this unit. I think that would be beautiful. So yes, y'all, it's really easy, beginner friendly, and it's very comfortable. I'm also really happy that I was able to go glueless with this one too, because that is the entire goal when it comes to protective styling is to go glueless. And being that the lace is pre-cut and you don't have to do too much tweezing to the hairline, you literally can just put this on and go. And with the non-slip technology, it just makes it even better. And I love it so much. And y'all, I totally forgot that my camera was in this frame. So my apologies, best distracted. I was doing two things at one time. You know, a content creator, you got multiple cameras going at one time. But you guys, this color is absolutely stunning. It is 20 inches. I'm 4'11", so this length is perfect for me. And I love the density. I love that wigs are starting to come with a natural looking density because listen, I don't need 400 density hair. I don't. I don't want to look like a lion. And this is absolutely beautiful. It gives kind of like, to me, like Los Angeles beach hair. I see this hair color every which way I go, on everybody too, okay? So this is a beautiful color, perfect for summertime. If you guys do have any questions about this WowAfrican unit, feel free to ask me, and all information about this unit will be down in the description below. I am just loving it. It's so comfortable and lightweight too, because that's something I worry about because it's going to be a hot summer. Okay, and I didn't feel any kind of way wearing this unit. Very lightweight. So all information is down in the description below, and feel free to stick around my channel to watch more of my WowAfrican reviews here on my channel.